Let's learn how to download TikTok video without watermark. Or you want some time to have any TikTok video in your gallery, but when you try to download it, you can see the little watermark on that video. Because of that, I'm going to show you how to have same video but without watermark. First of all, go to Open TikTok app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account from which you want to download video. Then, in the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see little arrow icon and go to click on Same. Now TikTok shows you a pop-up menu with bunch of options, but for purposes of this video, we only need a last row. This is not a classic method to download a video by tapping on Save button, because when you download with watermark, this is a method where you must to record a video. We will do that by scrolling to the right in last row to find a duet button, and when you find, click on it. Now that's open your camera to record a duet video. And this is important step, so listen this carefully. First of all, you need remove your face of camera. And next on your screen, tap on little man icon in the top of this recording button. This option means that while you're recording, you will be in the green screen, and that will remove your background. And because of that, you need to go out of the screen. Now go to recording a video while it's going to end. When the video is finished, click on the red button in the bottom right screen and confirm on this pop-up menu by clicking on OK. Next step is to download this video. You will do that by clicking on arrow pointing down on the right of the screen. And that's give you a save button on which you need to click and go to check in your gallery is video downloaded. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.